Speaking to NNIS, RJD spokesperson Manoj Jha has lashed out at the BJP, saying that instead of shouting at the ruling party in Bihar, the BJP should introspect and try to find out how good their track record has been.
That what happened in Gaya, it created a kind of image which disturbed us also. And we thought that it could be anybody. But look at the fact, the way agencies work. In spite of what the shouting by the BJP, our agencies have worked in last so many episodes without fear, without favor, without caring about the curriculum vitae of the person concerned. He is arrested, and I tell you, rule of law shall prevail, because we believe zero tolerance to crime is the only way to eliminate it. We thought BJP would help us in doing that. They are not interested, because all the states ruled by BJP, look at the crime graph there. They look at it, look for the image of Jungle Raj in Bihar. Don't they have mirror at home? If they don't, we'll provide them the mirror. The idea is that the family has lost a son. We are all disturbed. The only way we can provide some kind of relief or sense of justice is to make sure that the culprits are behind the bars. And that is what I think Bihar government is committed to the people of Bihar. I think that should be respected, and that is what we have been doing. People with a strong biodata, so-called strong position in the political ladder, they are behind the bars. Who has done it? Government of Bihar has done it. That I think is the message which we are giving, and we have been maintaining. Our CM, our deputy CM, the president of my political party, they have been affirming and reaffirming that there shall not be even 1% compromise as far as the rule of law is concerned, and everybody feels secure. These kind of aberrations, unfortunate ones, only give us all the more reason to be stout, upright, and committed to what we have made a commitment to